Thank you. What we got next, 3D? Word, we about to show y'all how we get down. Make some noise if you know the beat, it ain't ours. Hey yo, I sit in the groove, me and my dude, trying to think of something smooth to deliver to you. We got beats, flows, trees, and blues. Keep the party vibrating like a didgeridoo. And should we include, you couldn't even fit in your shoes. Hold the party like high as Lady Liberty do. Before you wanna go and comment about the shit we should do, take a whip of yourself and wipe the shit off your shoe. We cleaner than Mr. Clean and meaner than Mean Gene, the dream team. We make dough like EP. We PE, numero uno with these beats for Sheezy. WWDB, 3D, GP, GET. Down with the capital D, motherfucker, and you gotta do the same to pal around with me. But your life ain't gotta be rhymes and beats. All you gotta do is play hard, bitch, stay on. And when you get played out, then bitch, stay on. We the players that you hate on, so hate on. You got beat? Give me 2 plates in the floor. You just a fucking infidel for me to put a play on. The brothers stay on, rock on. You know what I mean? We gladiators in the arena, acts of haters. We throw your whole act on stage. Catch you later. Anybody wanna dance like the mashed potato? Do the hustle, do the worm, do the alligator. Green puffs, Cupid shuffle, and Macarena. So you did it to yourself, don't even have to play it. Just pass me the flavory herb, raise your glasses. Everybody move and shake your asses. That's how the what we do, brothers, get down. So get down, get down. Who knows the beat? Who knows the fucking beat? Rock it, nah, not like that. How we gonna rock it? Rocking it like this. How we gonna rock it? Like a NASA spaceship, rocking it till we on top of your playlist. Rocking it till what we do is your favorite. We tickle your brain, make you wanna shake your shit. Even got the most hardcore breaking it down. As you hooked soon as you tasted it. Be careful, yo, it's dangerous. I ain't just saying it. It ain't something that you want your mom to catch you playing with, and it's all true. We on some crazy shit. We know to put a beat in a skirt and break the bitch. And it's no forensics, no CSI. Nah, just 3D, me, myself, and I. Wait, I mentioned me shit, I must be high. I ain't getting no kissing balls deep in the sky. Stupid high. You think I'm a stupid guy, but I'm a blackout and scratch out stupid rhymes. And somewhere in there becomes a you and I. So feel this vibe and make some noise tonight. Yeah, that's what the fuck I'm talking about.